Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eatz. Today we are making cheddar cheese and sausage biscuits. These sausage biscuits are loaded with cheesy goodness and sausages. They will make a great breakfast anytime. We have breakfast sausage crumbled, cheddar cheese, biscuit, sour cream, club soda, and butter. You want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. You want to line your cookie sheet with a parchment paper. And you want to melt your butter. Here we're going to add our breakfast sausage to our pan. And we're just going to cook our sausage. Here I'm going to cook my sausage too. It's not well done, but done. Next, we're going to go on to making our biscuit, which we're going to add our biscuit mix to a large mixing bowl. Then we're going to add our sour cream. And next, we're going to add our club soda, and we're just going to mix everything together until it starts to combine. You want to make sure that you mix your biscuit mix really well. And that's what we're doing. We're just making sure that we comes into a dough form. Now here we are mixing everything together. I added my cheddar cheese. I forgot to film that. And now we're just going to add our sausage that we cooked earlier and let it cool down. And now we're going to add it to our biscuit mix. And we're just going to mix everything well together. And once you have mixed everything together, you could either make regular biscuit or you could just make drop biscuits and just put them into your pan. And then I just made some drop biscuits out of it. This is something just quick and easy. You could eat it with some syrup. They are really good. And you could put these in the freezer and freeze them. And they're good like that too. All you just need to do is just pop them in a microwave, or you could pop them in the oven for a few minutes. And they are delicious that way. And here we're making the drop biscuits. You want to drop a tablespoonful onto the parchment paper and cook anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes until they start to turn brown. And once your biscuits are done, we're going to take them out of the oven, and they have started to brown. And I added some butter to the top to make them real buttery, and they are delicious. This is a great breakfast item. Look at that ooey gooey goodness. They are nice, hot, and fresh. And here is our cheddar sausage biscuits. Yum. This was delicious. We have made cheddar sausage biscuits. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eatz. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.